Hey guys, today let's learn how to see the people who like you on Tinder without paying. So in the case you guys want to go ahead and view those people who like you on Tinder, how do you necessarily do so if you want to go ahead and view those people who like you on Tinder, and of course you want to see and have a potential match with those people who has already like you. So basically guys, this is all the way possible because all we need to do to see those people who liked us is of course to just wait for a few moments until Tinder itself will actually give us this option, because over on Tinder we do have this option that we call something like this, as you see right here on the top picks, but it's just like a toned down version of the top picks of Tinder, because of course it actually shows you those people who liked you but blurs them out. They could still choose from them, and because the reason why you can choose from them is because they are going to give you a free trial of this with this feature, and they are gonna give you blurred out pictures of people who has already like you. So of course if you want to go ahead and do so, you could easily do that and avail your top picks, and as you see you could also do that and unlock all of your top picks if you want to go ahead and do so. But basically these are the people who could possibly likes you and it could be a possible match with you. And of course this is only one feature to see your people who liked you, but of course once you keep on using normal Tinder over on this section, it's just gonna allow you to access the secret admirer, which is basically a feature of Tinder, and over that you will see a bunch of cards. So if you choose the correct card of your secret admirer, which is a person who liked you, could basically be potential match with them of course, and if we go wrong we can have matches with this person. Alright, so all for today's video guys. I hope you have learned something new. If you like the video, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon, bye.